All right, guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my new karaoke machine. I'm super excited to open it and check it out. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out to me for review, but let's go ahead and check it out. How about you guys? But I've done a couple karaoke bars in my time. So it's got a Type-C cable there, auxiliary, another Type-C, first microphone, cool. Second microphone, oh yeah, the speaker itself, and then a user manual. Put this down. It's got a little weight to it actually. Pretty cool. Show you the back. Type-C, USB, micro SD, auxiliary, you're on and off. Very cool. So let's get this all plugged in, all hooked up. Looks like the Type-C cables will be for the microphones. All right, right before we do hook it up, it is wireless, so let's go ahead and just fire it up right here.
Power on. Bluetooth
cool.
Mode.
Very cool. So I'm gonna hook it up to my TV, but this can actually just be your Bluetooth speaker as well. You could hook it up to your phone, TV, iPad, anything like that. Like I was showing you back here, like you can also directly hook up a micro SD with some music on it. So let's go ahead and hook it up to, we'll do my phone and we'll do my iPad and we'll do my TV, just to kind of hear how it sounds, and then we'll try it with the microphones as well. All right, so I'm gonna show you the many uses of this cool karaoke slash soundbar slash speaker, whatever you kind of want to call it. So right now I have it hooked up directly to my TV. It's just gonna be a soundbar slash speaker. So I'll put the volume up and it's just gonna play through here.
I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, kiddo.
Really?
Really? Want to know my secret? Hanging out with my best friend keeps me young.
Another cool feature, and let me put this down. You can switch the lights on it. Look at that. So it does have different light settings on here, so you definitely can change those up. So now let's hook up the whole karaoke experience, hook up the microphones and see how it works. All right, so I'm gonna show you how both of the microphones are actually cordless, but you do charge them through that Type-C if need be. So if you turn it on, boom, it's green. Turn this one on, green. Testing. Boom, we are ready. So I know that it has different modes on here, so let's see how they sound.
Pop mode.
Pop mode. Pop mode, pop mode, pop mode.
Original sound.
Not sure what that's at. Testing.
Testing.
Sounds a little weird.
Baby voice.
Baby voice. Baby voice. That's weird. We're gonna have some fun with some karaoke.
Monster voice.
I don't know if I want to hear a monster. Monster voice. It's kind of creepy, honestly. That's weird.
Karaoke mode.
So I'm curious how it'll sound if I play a song in the back. Just waking up in the morning, gotta think. No smog. I'm gonna book a breakfast with no hog. Alright, well that's enough fun with that. So as you can see, I do have this one connected through auxiliary, but you also can connect it through Bluetooth. I can connect my phone to it real quick just so you can kind of see it. It can serve as a Bluetooth speaker as well for your phone or iPad. So let me go get my phone and get this hooked up and then we'll be good. All right, so the Bluetooth settings was super easy. As soon as you turn it on, it says Bluetooth mode, and then it is K28. And then once it connects, we'll test out a song to see what it sounds like on here.
I see dead people.
So as you can see, sounds pretty good straight off of the phone. So like I said, This can actually be pretty cool for a party, even if you don't use a karaoke or do use a karaoke. The lights make it very, very neat to have. So if you're looking for a good karaoke slash portable speaker slash Bluetooth speaker, I highly recommend this one. Man, it could be a soundbar for you. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.